Hello and welcome. First of all, we have to open this back cover. Just push it and you will remove this one, and after that these side locks, both side, we will have to remove. And then this one we have to push it back like this, and you will remove this one. Now you can see we have to remove hard drive. So hard drive, you will see in this part, in this area. So we have to remove this one. There is a screw and lock here in the back side. We'll have to remove. And then release the lock. After that we'll have two back covers, small, this one and this one. Just push it back. Sorry, we'll remove this. Right. So here you can see we have removed this one, and here is our hard drive. So you can remove it easily with these screws, and easily you can replace, even you can upgrade the RAM and your hard drive. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.